Chikamimo has talked about those 20 containers reportedly procured at a cost of 10 million Kenya shillings each. They were supposed to be mobile clinics procured by the Ministry of Health. Let's talk about them in the next 60 seconds or so. KTN News has obtained an official document from the Customs Department that shows the transaction that procured this. Of course, the company that delivered this to the Ministry of Health, as has been reported in this document, as has been indicated in that report at the Ministry of Health, is Estama Investments Limited. Now, the number of containers is 20, the number of containers. The cost of the 20 containers is 15,444,000 shillings, 129. Now, the freight money paid for this is 4,091,176. The taxes paid for the 20 containers is 9,689,459 shillings. Total cost of all the 20 containers coming to 29,227,764. Divide that by 20, simple mathematics. The cost of one container is 1.46 million shillings only. The cost quoted in that internal audit report at the Ministry of Health is 10 million Kenya shillings. This document obtained by KTN News showing possible ways the Kenyans could have lost money.